Hello, hi, I'm Janki and welcome back to my channel, and today we'll be doing a very small book haul. So today I'll be showing all the books, 5 books that I recently purchased and I'm very excited to get to, but let us see when do I get to these books. But without any further ado, let us just get into these books. And very ironically, I have bought classics. So, if you have known me for some time, you must have known that my reading taste doesn't really include classics, but that changed. Apparently, that changed through Little Women, and now I'm also reading Anna Karenina by Leo Tolstoy. So, you can see that I'm really hooked into this genre. I don't know if it's short term indulgence of mine or what, but I just want to read classics now, like something new. So yeah, 3 books in here are classics, and starting with the most famous one. No, like classics are famous. So starting with the book that people recommend is the easiest classic to read, and that is The Picture of Dorian Gray by Oscar Wilde. So I don't think I need to give synopsis for these classics, because like if you don't know the synopsis, you have a little idea of what the book is about. So yes, this is the first book that I purchased. The second book that I have here is Jane Eyre by Charlotte Bronte, one of the iconic books, Bronte sisters. And Jane Eyre is this like female centric story, and what else do I need in my books? Now another book, and this is I think a little out of my league because I'm not sure if I'm ready for it, but it is Crime and Punishment by Fyodor Dostoevsky. I'm pronouncing it right, I feel. So Crime and Punishment is a psychological drama. It's about a man who isolated himself and one day decided that he'll murder someone for the betterment of the society, and he escapes that murder, like no one catches him. But it's about whether he'll escape his own conscience or not. So yes, I don't think it's correct for me to pick it up right now, but I will read it soon. Now, the 2 books are fantasies. So the first fantasy we have is City of Brass by S.A. Chakrabarty, and this is a book that has been on my wish list for the longest of times, and I finally bought it. So this is the first book in, what is the series name? I think Devbad series. Yes, that's the series name. So this is the first book in that series, and I don't really know much about it. I just heard people rave about it. This book is based in like Egypt inspired fantasy world. We have deserts. Really, I think like the fantasies that are set in deserts are so good. Like as far as I've read those books, for example, We Hunt the Flame duology, Empire of Sands, they're amazing, and I feel this will be as well. So looking forward to reading it. And our last book is Rising Like a Storm by Tanaz Bhathena. This is the second book in Hunted by the Sky. No, Hunted by the Sky was the first book, and the series name was something else. I don't really remember now. But yes, Hunted by the Sky was the first book, and this is the second book in that duology, Rising Like a Storm. So can't tell you much about this book because spoilers for the first book again. But yes, looking forward to this Indian inspired fantasy book, and look at the cover. Those were all the books that I have recently purchased, and I'm excited for, like looking forward to reading it. And yes, thank you all for watching, and do let me know if you have read any of these books in the comment down below, and how do you like it. And till then, bye. Do consider subscribing to my channel if you like my videos.